So guys, I have booked through online the ferry to Lanzarote, and this is my seaport from where I am going to take the ferry. That's the way. And after doing an online booking, you need to arrive at this place. It is for Linus Romero ferry, and I got this ticket now. It cost me around 18 euros for this. Guys, I'm in Lanzarote and I have booked this moped for me, and it's 35 euros a day. So for 4 days they have charged me 140 euro and I had to pay 300 euros of deposit. So let's try this. With your Indian driving license, you can easily book a motorbike throughout Spain.